Good everyone, welcome to this online class. And in this class, I'm going to be teaching you how to switch between two images using JavaScript. Right? And before we dive in, remember to like, remember to share, remember to comment, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright. Now, in this folder, I teach JavaScript. You can see we have two images here. We have the bob_on.png and the bob_off.png. Alright, now the bob_on.png, you can see the image here. Alright, we also have the bob_off.png, you can see the image here. Okay, I'm going to be creating a HTML file and let's name it index.html. Alright, and the basic structure of a HTML document. And here we can leave it as document, the title name. Alright, while here, let's say center, then image, then the source of the image bob_off. Then instead of alternate, I'm going to be using ID. I don't need the alternate text. Then I'm going to be saying the ID should be Bob. Alright. Then BR tag to move the next elements to the next line. And let's say we have a button. And this should be turned on. And let's duplicate that button. And here, turn off. Okay, and we are going to give this an on-click event. So when we click on this button, you're going to call our function, which we'll be creating later. So let's say the function name should be turn on. Alright, then for this, the function name should be turn off. Remember, function names are what? Case sensitive. Don't use small letter. Then later, when we want to create the function, you will not be using in capital letter. Exactly the way it is. That is the way you what create the function. All right. So don't make that mistake. Okay. So let's run this. So we see the outcome of the output. Now you can see we have this bob_off here on our web page. Okay. And we have this turn on and turn off button. You can see we have these two buttons. Okay, now after this center here, I'm going to be creating my JavaScript. Okay, so this is just the internal way to add your JavaScript. Okay, then we are going to be getting this element first by its ID, which is Bob, as you can see here. And to do that, to access the element by its ID, we say document dot